Hi, my name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to move photos from iCloud to iPhone storage. To move photos from iCloud to your iPhone storage, choose whether to keep copies on both or download them entirely to the device and turn off iCloud photos. Ensure your iPhone has sufficient storage space before beginning. Option 1, you can download originals, like keep on both iCloud and iPhone. This option downloads all full resolution photos to your iPhone, but they will still remain backed up in iCloud. If you want this, go ahead to the settings and tap your name or Apple ID. Inside, tap iCloud. Find photos. Below, save to iCloud. Instead of optimize iPhone storage, switch or turn on download and keep originals. Okay? Option 2, you can remove from iCloud. Move entirely, like to iPhone. Use this option to download everything to your iPhone storage and remove them from iCloud. So again, go ahead to the settings, tap your name or Apple ID, tap iCloud, photos, and toggle off sync this iPhone. When the pop-up appears, choose download photos and videos. Okay? Basically, that's it. Consider liking this video, subscribe. It really helps with the channel.